What is the main objective of reference service in the library? That is provide personal assistant to the user. Reference service is also known as the personal assistant service. The term reference service was first introduced by Samuel Green. Reference service help user to locate specific information or document. The foundation of reference service is based on the communication, which is a core function of reference service, assisting in information searching. Reference service is considered a part of the user services. Reference services are usually provided by the reference librarian. A good reference service should be personalized and accurate. Which of the following is not a feature of reference service? That is delay in the response. How many type of reference service are generally recognized? That is 2. The two types of reference service are ready and long range. Ready reference service provides quick facts or brief answer. Which of the following is an example of ready reference service? Address of an institution. Long range reference service involves deep and comprehensive research help. Which is an example of long range reference service? That is assisting with a literature review, which is not a tool used in reference service, that is fiction books. Ready reference service are usually completed immediately or within a few hours. Bibliography preparation is a part of the long range reference. Which one is more time consuming? That is long range reference service. What is a referral service? Referring a user to another source or agency. In referral service, the librarian guides user to an expert or agency for the help. Referral service is needed when the library lacks the needed resources or the expertise. A major purpose of referral service is to provide external help to the user. Which of the following is an example of a referral agency? That is local government office. Referral service is also known as the information navigation service. Referral service enhances information access. When should a librarian use a referral service? That is when information is beyond the scope of the library. Referral service requires good knowledge of external resources, which is an important part of a referral service network, that is directory of agencies and the organization. What is not a reference source? That is novel. Gadgets are used in reference service to provide geographical data. A biographical source provides information about the people. Which source give meaning and pronunciation of the words? That is dictionary. An atlas is used to provide maps and geographical information. Indexing and abstracting journals help in locating research articles. Encyclopedia Britannica is a journal encyclopedia. Yearbooks are published annually. The reference collection is usually non-circulating. Bibliographies are used to provide list of sources on the specific subject. Which of the following is important in reference service? That is accuracy. Which of these is a digital reference tool? Ask a librarian service. Chat reference service is real-time virtual help. Email reference is an example of asynchronous reference. Reference interview involves asking open-ended questions to clarify user needs. User privacy is important in reference service because it builds trust. In digital libraries, reference service is offered through virtual reference desk. The success of reference service depends on the communication, knowledge, and the empathy. Reference service are primarily meant to facilitate information access. In modern libraries, reference service is multi-channel. Thank you.